What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vusi Max coming at you live from the Supreme Traders HQ. I hope everybody's having a good Monday and we're ready to see more growth, more profits, and more everything basically because we're about that life, prosperity, and wealth to everybody watching this. All right, so this is an analysis video and it's not coming on a weekend, it's coming on a Monday because this past trading week we had so much fundamental stuff going on towards the end of the week, and usually when that happens I can safely expect to see gaps on the market when it opens. So there was a time to close your trades before the market closed so that you don't really you're not part of the we're not part of the your basically your trades don't take a hit should the market get up or down, which is what I did. And I waited for the market to open to make an analysis because I didn't want the analysis to be altered by the gaps or to be messed up. So I waited for the market to open and talk to me and show you guys what I see, and hopefully this helps. Right, so give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, because there's more content like this coming, guys. I want to see everybody's account grow. All right, you don't have to be a Supreme member if you want to if you want to learn how to trade. Supreme is the best place to probably go to at the moment. And yeah, man, let's just grow. All right, so this is what I have for you guys. Right, I want us to look at the EURUSD. The EURUSD we had, it was also part of the analysis for last week. But really what was happening with this pair is the whole of last week was basically on the reversal phase, right? So as you can see, we have this trend line which started up there, and the way we got this trend line is by joining the first and the second highs from where the trend started, and that's how we aligned it to the current price, and that's how we've managed to found this trading opportunity there. We can also say that this was also an opportunity there, but if you entered there, you would know that you keep holding until we get to recent lows as such. So the market moved from there to there, right? And in the past week the market was making a move from there to the trend line again, right? So as it is now, the market I think it was last week Friday, we've made a push to the upside of the trend line, which I thought the market would continue to go up, but then the market kind of rejected to do so, and then came back below the trend line, right? And one thing I want to talk to you guys about, because of the fundamentals that we had last week, we kind of had this two long candlesticks here as such, right? So because of this, now we can't draw a reversal line. That's the thing, we really can't draw a reversal line. And what we can do now is to trade it based off the price action itself. Technical isn't going to be part of this trade. It's only gonna be the price action aspect of the strategy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an order there at this level. I'm gonna highlight it with the horizontal line. I'm gonna put an order with this line, and as soon as it triggers, I'm gonna have the SL at the previous high, which is this one. I'm not gonna have it up there. I like to cut my losses as quickly as possible, or as short as I possibly can, which is something I want you to also practice as a trader or as someone who wants to see your account grow. Never let your losses run more than they should, right? So we're gonna have the SL there, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop order at this horizontal line, which I just put this one at the previous low, right? So if you guys want to know how to use orders and stuff like that, you should leave a comment, and I can make a video on that if you guys want to see that. All right, so that's how I'm gonna trade this one. gonna have targets somewhere at the previous low, right? So that's the thing. I'm really keen on this trade because of the risk to reward ratio. I tell you guys this all the time. The risk to reward, not risks, risk to reward ratio is one of the most important things, because you need to make sure that every time you take a trade, you're risking way less than what you're willing to gain. And most traders say this all the time, but they actually don't practice this when they trade. They just like to say it to, like, you know, seem like, I don't know, seem like they're about that life, but really it's not just something you should say. We talk the walk. No, we walk the talk. That's what I mean. We walk the talk. So comment down below with walk, trade it like we talk it, guys. Comment, trade it like we talk it, because that's what we're about, you know. So this is pretty much it for the EURUSD. We precipitating that if the price doesn't break the trend line, we expecting the price to go make a low somewhere there. All right, so that's it for the EURUSD. Thank you guys for watching. This is all I have for you guys. I'll see you on the next one.